Hey everyone, welcome to the course. Really important thing to say up front. I just updated this course, or it's less of an update, more of an overhaul or complete renovation, demolishing, and rebuilding of the course. And there's a couple reasons that I did this. The first is that when I made this course originally, I made a pretty big choice that came back to be a bit of a problem. Installing MySQL can be a pain, so I decided to use a platform, an IDE in the browser called Cloud9, which made it incredibly easy. It was like a single button click essentially to have MySQL up and running. It didn't matter if you were on a Mac or a Windows machine or something else. But that service was subsequently bought by Amazon, shut down, or at least substantially changed, and we've been scrambling to come up with workarounds. And that was something I used throughout the entire course. Hundreds of videos, 15, 20 hours of content, all linked to this Cloud9 thing. So the good news is, in this completely updated version of the course, all Cloud9 stuff is gone. Everything is done locally on your machine, whether it's a Mac machine, Windows, or something else. We install it locally. We even install this tool called the Workbench, MySQL Workbench, and we can run everything without having to sign up for some service, without having to use the browser, all on our machine. Additionally, since I first did this course a couple of years ago, MySQL 8.0 has been released. The original was 5.7, which, yes, I know it's confusing. MySQL went from 5.7 to 8.0, but it's just the naming of it. This course has now been redone using 8.x, so not a lot has changed for the basic syntax, but there are some new features that I've included. So, if you're brand new, you're just taking this course for the first time, you just enrolled, or you're watching a preview, you really don't need to do anything different. Just know that the course was redone and the update is live. Now, if you are a returning student, somebody who already went through the course and did everything with the previous version, don't go through this course from the beginning and treat it as a brand new course, because a lot of the content is exactly the same. The videos are all new. Everything has been re-recorded, but most of that has been to cut out Cloud9. So if you already know how to do things like select and insert and create tables and work with foreign keys and all of that, I wouldn't waste your time going over that content again. But there are some new topics that I've included that you definitely want to check out, or I would recommend you check out. That includes things like check constraints, alter table, with rollup, definitely window functions, SQL modes, and then making sure that you are running 8.x. You can check out the installation instructions at the beginning and work with the SQL Workbench if you want. But I assume that most of you who are watching this video are just starting the course. Do you really care that it's been updated? Do you need to know what's new? Probably not. It's all here now, but it is good, I guess, to know the story of this course and how it's changed over the years. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. Welcome. I hope you enjoy the new content.